I'm gonna play playing on answer in the comments, but that's so keep dying. When you practice more. But I don't know if I should do face reveal. Like, yeah. I have a sore throat right now, so yeah. Come on. And I'm kind of bad at editing, but yeah. How do I keep dying? But that's today's video. Bye, guys.